Hello my dear 3-year law aspirants. Are you aware that the Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University has launched the 3-year LLB program from this very year, and the session is about to begin from the very month of September. My dear students, it conducted its own exam and the structure of the examination is as following. Let me tell you that the examination was offline. So, you had to report to a particular center which was mentioned at the admit card. The exam was offline. The duration of exam was from 10 to 12:30. So, that means the paper was of 2.5 hours. For every correct question, plus 4 was allotted. For every question that was incorrect, 1 marks was deducted, and for any question which was unattempted, nothing for that, neither the marks were added nor it was subtracted. And have a look at the composition of the sections. There were 3 sections, namely language and comprehension, which had 25 questions, general knowledge and current affairs, which had again 25 questions, and basic understanding of law and legal reasoning, which had 50 questions. They also provided the syllabus in a separate notification, and the syllabus is as following. So, if you check the syllabus is this. I hope that you will appreciate the fact that this is very important, okay, and it will help you in your preparation as well. So, please kindly check the same, that for the language comprehension, that syllabus was unseen passages, grammar and comprehension, proverbs, synonym antonyms, one word substitution, and sentence and word completion. Now, for the general knowledge and current affairs, the syllabus was history, political science, economics, general science, environment, current affairs of national and international importance, and national and international institutions. Now, when we come to basic understanding of law, okay, now that had a very interesting syllabus, and have a look at this. So, the basic understanding of law and legal reasoning. The syllabus had constitutional law, law of contracts, law of torts, law of crime, United Nations, the human rights, the current legal developments in India and abroad also, and very important legal maxims. So, basically the composition of the examination, okay, you can see very well, and the syllabus of the exam also you can make a note of it. The exam was offline of 2.5 hours. For every correct question plus 4, for every incorrect minus 1, unattempted nothing. And most importantly, students were also confused that how many seats does the Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University have under the 3-year law program. Which colleges of IPU University offer these courses, and here is the answer to your question. Very important, and exclusively available over here is the table. Okay, I will try to zoom it as well. So, on 28th of August they came up with a notification, and 3 colleges offer this program, and let me just zoom it out and show it to you, just a second. Okay, so now you can see the colleges are as following. Number 1 is the Chandra Prabhu Jain College of Higher Studies. Okay, in that the number of seats is 60 and 10% is the management quota. So, 10% of 60 is 6. So, this is separate, the management quota seat. Then the main campus of Indraprasth University, the University School of Law and Legal Studies, okay, situated at Dwarka. The number of seats is 60 and it had no seats in the management quota. So, all the 60 seats you have to clear from the examination. Then, my dear students, the another college which will offer this program is the WIPS, the Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, situated at Pitampura. The number of seats is 30 and 10% of 30 is 3, and that is the seat for management quota. So, overall it is 60 plus 6, it is 30 plus 3, and this is 60 plus nil. So, these are the seats, okay, and I hope this information was very much important for you. Kindly take a note of this. See you soon in another part. Thank you and all the best.